neyodwa nalo muntu wayesendlini ubani lo muntu lo okunyanyisile
Kwi-statement sami ngachaza futhi noma ngasaningi ukuthi if ngingambona umuntu ngingamkhomba.
In my statement I made mention that if I were to see the person I would be able to point the person out.
Yes. Okubhlungu njengoba le case iqhubeka mina anginandaba nabantu anginandaba nomndeni wakaSenzo engikwenza ngikwenzela uSenzo mina angikwenzeli umunye umuntu.
All right. And the sad part is that with the trial going on, my lord, I don't care about people. I don't care about the Senzo's family. What I'm doing it for Senzo.
Yes.
Yep.
And then into nje wangigila ngeke ngivele ngisukele ngize enkantolo ngizokhuluma into engekho. Reason why ngiphendula ngikhuluma nje ngiphendula kanje because ngikhuluma into engiyaziyo engangikhona yenzeni.
Okay. The other thing is, my lord, I won't come from where I'm coming from and come and tell something here which is not true. I am here telling something that I know, something that happened in my presence.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
And enye into umuntu noma ungambona umuntu mawawambona ngaphambilini angeke uhluleke ukumbona futhi masumbona kanje eduze angeke.
If you saw a person, or it happens that this is someone that you've seen before, if now you meet this person again and you see this person in front of you, it won't be difficult for you to identify or to recognize that person.
Yes. And angeke ngisuke ngiqambele umuntu amanga ecase kanje mina. Ngeke ngivele ngiqambele umuntu amanga ecase kanje. Naye uyazi futhi.
And I won't tell lies about a person in a matter like this. Even that person knows.
Yes.
Yes, you may proceed.
Okay.
Ukuthi ngiyathuka ngoba bachitha isikhathi esingaka bafaka impilo zethu enkingeni sizondwa abantu but uyazi.
Object to that. I don't know whether this is still part of the description of the evidence we're dealing about.
As the court pleases, we'll get to the point. Mr. Madlala, if you can perhaps state or inform the court who is this person that made you uncomfortable.
Uyacela nje ukuthi mfethu ke uye nje ngo-odabeni ke ukuthi utshele nje inkantolo ukuthi ubani lo muntu lona owakwenza ukuthi awunyanye.
Nayo into. Blue green.
Yes, this man with the blue t-shirt or green.
Yiyo la ibanjwe uSenzo isandla.
He's the one that was held by Senzo. Sorry?
Yona leyayenza intshebe le yayikhatha intshebe.
He's the one who had the beard that was cut or shaved.
The defense raised in objection for the identification of the accused from the dock because it doesn't hold weight, Your Lordship. Moreover, there was no identification parade with regard to the accused before the court. We humbly request a ruling from the court.